For further illustration, I wanted to show that I'm not being unreasonable. This house is probably 3,000 square feet. Like to mark it during drywall stage or right after texture. Normally they leave it a lot cleaner than this, so it's a perfect time for me to come in with a straight edge and not have drywall, mud everywhere. This one's a little dirty. So far, no marks, no marks. Somebody else is in here with the green paint. I actually didn't check some of these rooms, but this was checked. This room gets carpet, so this is checked. All this was checked, no marks. These are not my marks. The only marks I put on this, probably 1,300 square feet of tile. Right there, one high spot. Right there, two high spots. Nothing in the bathrooms. I think these are carpet. Nothing in this bathroom. Overall, the concrete guys are good. I'm just having a really tough time getting them to come knock down their spots. This is the one that we were looking at earlier. I'll show you with the straight edge real quick what that other one in the hall looks like. So if you look right there, it's fairly flat. And 10 foot. If you put your end on the high, the other end on the low, but watch what happens as you come across. It's going to want to teeter in a second. So right there, this is how I judge it. Again, they're almost a ½ inch, not quite. Is that unreasonable? I don't think so. I think they need to grind that down.